This VBook focuses on the startup ecosystem of the ICE Epicenter webbook. And in this, we look at the startup ecosystem really as the heart of the Cincinnati region ICE Epicenter. And so it's useful then to really try to understand what is the makeup of this. And I've struggled with this, and I put together this graphic. Hopefully this will help explain at least one view of this, and certainly interested in other views, but this is the view that I've developed as I've tried to sort out how the ecocenter works, what it is and how it works. So first thing I think about as I looked at this was, well, there's what people refer to as, there's a lot of references to the startup ecosystem itself, but most of them focus on the concept of partners. And so partners seems to be an individual or a small group of individuals that provide services in the startup ecosystem. So that's what a partner is all about. The next thing I think it helps is to think about the idea of a portal. So a portal is a set of partners who have organized themselves to provide a defined entry point to the system. So I was struggling with how do I actually enter the ecosystem? How do I get services there? And I found it helpful to think about this as a portal approach. So a portal has the resources for several different partners, and they're pulled together, and they offer that as an entry point. Now it turns out that there are several different portals to the startup ecosystem in the Cincinnati region, and these actually collaborate with each other and compete with each other, and this kind of provides a delightful dynamic there to see what's going on. At least it seems to me that that's what is happening. These portals can take on some strange forms. In particular, multiple partner, the same partner can appear in multiple different portals, so they can overlap. They can also have this concept of here is a portal that is within a portal, so they sort of lump two things together here. And I don't know that there really is such a thing, but I guess it's possible that a partner can represent itself as a portal. So those are some different ways to think about the startup ecosystem. Look at quickly at just one of the partners there, and this is the one that, at least that I found, that is most defined as a startup ecosystem portal. And they have a nice website out there that talks about the whole concept of their startup ecosystem. They talk about the resources available there, accelerators, incubators, co-working, and so forth. They use a pay-to-play model there. So if you're a startup and you're looking to get into the centrifuge or enter through the centrifuge portal, you do that by paying $149 a year, which is really a minuscule fee compared to the value that you're going to be getting there. And they also offer co-working spaces to interact with others who are in the same space, $200 per desk per month. So that's an exciting place to play in the startup ecosystem.